Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day.
In today's video, we will cover ProxyRack Peer, a lesser-known, yet effective passive income app. We'll walk you through every step, from signing up and installation, to earning, referrals, and withdrawals. Plus, we'll provide proof of payment.
ProxyRack is a platform that allows users to earn passive income by sharing their residential internet bandwidth with business proxy customers. ProxyRack Peer is the application that facilitates this process. By becoming a peer, users can earn up to 50 cents per gigabyte of bandwidth shared. Starting your earning journey with ProxyRack Peer is very easy. You can start by clicking the sign-up link in the video description. Confirm your identity as a smart human. You will then arrive at the registration page that looks like this. Fill in your email ID, first and last name, and country. Decide and fill in a secure password, and then click on Register. You would then see a screen like this, asking you to verify your email. If you are yet to get the verification email, click on Resend Verification Email. Remember to check your spam folder, just in case. Once you have verified your email, you will arrive at a dashboard that looks like this. You will now need to download the application. ProxyRack Peer can be installed on Windows and on Linux using Docker. You can find the installation instructions for Linux Docker on the dashboard. In this video, I will cover the process of installing ProxyRack Peer on Windows. Click on Download Windows Peer Client. Download the application and install it by following the installation instructions. Then launch the application. Once launched, you will find the application icon in the taskbar. The name of the application would be Point of Presence. Click on it, and then click on Show App. You will see a pop-up like this. Copy the device ID from here. Head back to the ProxyRack Peer dashboard and click on Devices. Scroll down to Add New Device. In the friendly name box, put in a name for your device. Then paste the device ID you copied earlier in the Device ID box. Click on Add Device. It is best to do these steps 5 to 10 minutes after installing the app, allowing proper server connection. In case it throws up an error, try again after some time. ProxyRack Peer is now ready to start earning for you passively while you get on with your daily routine, get some sleep, or go on an enjoyable vacation. All you need to do is keep your computer on, with ProxyRack Peer running in the background, earning for you. ProxyRack also offers a referral program. By inviting others to join, you can earn additional income. When someone signs up using your referral link, you receive 10% of their earnings. To start referring your friends, head over to the dashboard. Click on Profile, and then on Referral Program. From here you can grab your referral code and share it with your friends. Help them out by sharing this video link so they can easily follow the installation process. If you scroll down, you will be able to see a list of users you referred. Withdrawing your earnings is simple. You can withdraw as soon as you reach the minimum limit of $20. To withdraw, click on Request Payout and then confirm the request. Payouts are approved within 72 hours of the request. Once it is approved, you will receive an email from Tremendous, their payout processor, along with further instructions.
You will receive an email from ProxyRack that looks like this. It may take up to 72 hours to come. Click on Redeem. You will then see this screen. Click on Redeem again. In the next screen, select your country, then check the available redemption methods. We are going with PayPal as our preferred option. Ensure you check and confirm the correct email ID associated with your PayPal. Then, click on Transfer. You will receive a confirmation message like this. You will also receive a confirmation message on your email ID. You can track the status of the payment by clicking on Track Status. As per the status, the amount has been transferred to PayPal. We will head over to our email and PayPal and confirm. You will receive an email confirming the receipt of the payment on PayPal. Also, you should see the amount reflecting on PayPal. To view the transaction details, click on View Transactions. Here, you'll find the details of the payment from ProxyRack's payment partner, Tremendous. This serves as proof that ProxyRack genuinely pays its users.
ProxyRack Peer offers a reliable way to earn passive income with minimal effort. However, it's always good to diversify your income streams. Other passive income apps like Honeygain, Repocket, Packet Share, EarnApp, etc. also provide similar opportunities. Each app has its own payout rates and features, so it's worth exploring multiple options to maximize your earnings. I will leave links for all of them in the video description. ProxyRack Peer is an excellent tool for those looking to earn passive income effortlessly. With its easy installation process, user-friendly interface, and reliable payout system, it's a great option to consider. Sign up today and start earning from your unused internet bandwidth. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more passive income videos and guides. Click the notification icon to be informed every time I post a new video. We also have a brand new LinkedIn channel with videos, articles, and blogs. Take a moment, head over there, follow us and engage with us. And don't forget to bookmark our website. You will find all the links in the video description. See you in the next one soon.